All right, guys, got this 2003 GMC Envoy. We're gonna be doing a front differential in it. It's making noise. I'm gonna show you the easy way. I've seen some videos that weren't very well lit, and I'm just gonna try to give you all the information I can to show you how I got it done. Thanks for watching. Let's get straight to it.
Hey guys, here we are. I got to work just a little bit early. I wanted to show you what it looks like to do this one the right way. This is an 03 GMC Envoy. See, this differential in the shaft goes right through this oil pan. It's kind of a shitty design, but whatever. It is what it is. This is how I'm getting the job done. I just wanted to show you guys, since there wasn't a lot of good, well-lit information. The way I figured out to do it was to just take both the side motor mounts off. This is what they look like. They have these weird slots where they slide down in there. Kind of make them a pain in the ass, but I ended up taking the shocks loose that way. I left the shock in and wrenched my bolts out. I was able to remove them for the most part, but you can kind of just leave them in there and remove that motor mount bracket. And then I use this screw jack here to push the motor over, and I came right through this hole. I'll show you a video of me putting it back in, the new one. But I just wanted to show you, give you the rundown. There's the other motor mount bracket. Took them both off to get them out of my way. Had a high horse holding the motor up. And I just pushed it over. I did take the rack top part loose, but that really didn't help me. So I don't advise you mess with that. Pushing over with this screw jack is really what helped me the most, guys. I took that off, that might have helped. You definitely have to take this actuator off the passenger side because of that shaft goes through there. This part of the shaft goes in the differential. This part sticks out and goes into this. So I'll show you video of me putting it together. I can't show you every single step, but this one was leaking real bad. That's why we're replacing it. Just squeeze it up in this hole here. Give it hell, guys. It really wasn't that bad. I hope you guys saw that. Now I'm letting the engine back. Let that tension off. All right. I should have cleaned that part where it fits into the oil pan up a little bit and put some grease on that before I put it together. I'm gonna show you so you can learn from my lesson. If you get one from the junkyard, go and clean this up with a Scotch-Brite pad and put grease on it. It'll help it go together, trust me. All right, I'll put some bolts in it. Got it in there, guys. So that's where those slots fit, guys. Right over those top 2 bolts. You got to raise the motor up pretty high to get them out of there. All right, guys, that's how you fill it, right through that hole there by the axle. And the front diff on this one takes gear oil. Looks like it's an 18. Now I'm going ahead and drain this one. There's a 13mm plug right there. That's how you drain them.
All right, guys, we got done with that GMC. I told you it was easier than the other ways. So hopefully this video was helpful. I'm gonna stick a couple videos up over there. Check them out, I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, it's the best way to support my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Let's keep it moving. On to the next one.